hopefully the airbag doesn't burst. What's a retail one of those? More than you can afford, pal. Yo guys, at the time of the recording of this video, I do own my S2000 for more than a year. So please leave down in the comment section happy birthday S2000, or like I would call it Dream, as you guys know. On the East Power of Dreams, as well as I call this car Dream because it is my dream car. I am the one, the way your son. The plans for today is to have a boys day. And I plan on taking you guys along because you guys are my boys too. So what we're going to do right now is link up with another friend of mine who also has the S2000. And then we're gonna go go-karting. So stay tuned and let's go. Okay guys, so that's my BOYZ S2000. I'll show you guys the color, it's insane. Let's go. Boys days on! I don't know if you saw that, but I thought it was going to be a roadblock and our car's going to get impounded.
I'm going to issue a fine for the headlight, I'm going to issue a fine for the number plate, and then also I'm going to take your license.
But yeah, got away. Looks like there's something happening in that area. I think there's like people camping there, so I assume that is what's going on there. It looks like they're searching for stuff. We're on the road now. I think we should be there 11 o'clock. We're all a little bit late, so maybe you guys will see some S2000 pulls. What's a retail one of those? More than you can afford, pal.
What's the retail on one of those?
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
Too soon, Junior.
Yeah guys, obviously I can't snap while I have a phone in my hand, so yeah, that would have been actually a pretty good race. Guys, so it was just a massive crash that happened now. Straight into the tires. Guy does seem alright.
So bright, but my mind opened up so wide. I wised up, yeah, so I know what's wrong from right. I pray that these.
So guys, so we just arrived to the go-karting. We're situated in Canal. Hopefully you guys can hear me. This is it. So this go-karting is based on not like who comes first or not, it's more time. So yeah, hopefully I win. I know my brother with S2000, he's gonna be quick as well. But hopefully I beat him. So wish me luck, guys. Another thing I also want to do is I want to pick up what kart is the fastest. Some of them are a little hoppy as well, so that's what I want to check first. I think this one is pretty good, but I like this one. I think I want to go with this one. So that part I'm going to take. You see that one is pretty good, and the one behind it. So hopefully me and Sam will get that.
Even if I had to, I'ma wipe every last task in my path too. Just like when God flooded every land too. Wipe the earth of all the sin he had planned to. Make new life and I just came here to add to. Push the brakes, yeah, that is something that I can't do. Every day I'm thinking of a new plan to get ourselves to the other side. That's why I'm trying to get right. So when I take my flight, my wings don't catch a light. I pray it be alright.
Yo guys, it was insane. I did the camera recorded, but myself and Samuel, I wanted to race around and he got me a collision on the side. Crazy the guys. I'm very disappointed in myself, guys. I think it's more of a fitness thing, yeah. Look, I was getting too tired. WONG'S is obviously more stronger than me. WONG'S has, you know, yeah, he has a six-pack, you know what I mean? I don't know how that helps. But another thing also, WONG'S did also keep me behind, you know? So that's what, I could have passed you, But yeah, unfortunately a 4th place for me, but till next time. 4th, oh no, 4th, no. That would have been worse, yeah. Nah, but I'm actually surprised by Abu as well. Great work, Abu. Okay guys, so here's a better look at my friend Samuel's S2000. Obviously his version is the V2, mine is V1. You can basically see that by the wheels, but just check his awesome color. You would assume it's black. It's like a purple plum type of a color. I've actually never seen it on an S2000 before. So his S2000 is pretty rare. You guys maybe can just mention in the comment section if I'm correct or not, or maybe what the code of this specific color is. But his car does look insane. I love the color. And then obviously you guys know that I have what they would call Silverstone silver. So Silverstone silver has like a little glitter in it. And if you guys can pick that up. Hope you guys are enjoying this type of content. Just tagging you guys along. Like I said, you guys are part of the boys. Go-karting. As you guys have seen in the video, I came 4th. Not to make excuses, but was in front of me and I couldn't do a good time because obviously he was in front of me. That's why he had a better time. I literally pulled brakes and like, you know, waited for him to go to the front in order for me to make a better time. Otherwise I would have probably been lost.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
But anyway, the highlight of today was racing against Samuel now. It's insane. On the S2000, guys, if you ever have the chance or ever have the money to buy an S2000, I would say you should buy it in a heartbeat. Like, I'm not even spite. I sold my EG. A lot of people ask me, why did you sell your EG? Or are you missing the EG? I have a lot of the EG spots and I probably will most likely build another EG. What? No. But owning an S2000 for 1 year. It's insane. I haven't driven the car like I drove it today. Like putting down the camera and actually driving this car. The way they built this car is just insane. It just takes a beating all time. We've been driving our car is like up and down all time. I'll try to get some footage for you guys. But yeah, we're gonna head to my friend's place. Maybe take you guys along. It's been an awesome day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Which one will you choose of the two?
I'm using this one. I will take this one.
Which is the one?
I'm going to control the ball anytime soon. Yeah. I want to be the one changing gears.